457. Yeah, it should be fun. Huh. Nice. Interesting seating position. Very upright. Nice turning. Getting to ride the Aprilia RS 457. Nope. Oh man, that sounds a billion times better than a Ninja. Oh, wow. Okay, I was gonna dog the ergos because they're very upright. Yeah, no. Oh, that brake is garbage. I don't even have to lean over, I'm already dragging me. Nice, okay. Oh, I gotta be careful, those brakes are not bueno. And these tires are probably cold. Feels great. There we go. A little worried about the tires. Feels freaking fantastic. Oh, red line. Guys, this is actually very impressive. For a little 400. We got some freaking free track, ladies and gentlemen. So ergos, obviously for a Ninja 400 style motorcycle, this is definitely more aggressive than a 400 or a 300. And it wouldn't take much to get some clip-ons on this thing. A 457cc, hence the 457. And what is amazing about this motorcycle over, say, like a Ninja 300, it is a 270 cranked engine. And if you've watched any of my videos, you know that I absolutely love the sound of a 270 cranked engine. It makes such a big difference in my opinion. Go, baby, go. Stuck in C group on a demo ride. But the engine, obviously fantastic sound. We obviously have a stock motorcycle, stock exhaust, and I would say this thing sounds badass in comparison to like a Ninja 400 or like the 390 single. The single has an okay sound, in my opinion, sounds pretty good, but you can't beat this 270 crank sound. I just don't think you can do it until you start getting into triples and inline fours. So that's for engine. Ergonomics, yeah, very comfortable. It's not quite as upright as, say, a Ninja 400. I feel definitely more racy in this bike than I do a Ninja 400. Stuff that guy right there. Got an outside, baby. Sorry, bro. I totally f***ed you. NC group. The gearing feels pretty good. We have that red line a little past 10, it looks like. Feels like it uses this power pretty well all the way through. It's quite, what would you call that? Even the clutchless shifting is awesome on this thing. So on top of obviously the engine, I explained that to you guys, kind of how that works. Slipper clutch is actually quite nice. Oh, I almost felt that rear go. I was about to. Well, other than the engine and the ergos, which are pretty fantastic and obviously something that is easily adjusted, you could tell you have a lot of space in here to maybe get you some lower clip-ons and not have to worry about potentially a riser. Quite possibly, but either way, freaking feels great, sounds great, more than enough power by a long shot. And you can't, like, all this stuff is totally something that we could swap out. The triple tree, all the shifters, like, yeah, the brake's not amazing, but it can be swapped out. Same with the rear sets here. Seat height's a little low. I can easily flat foot this thing, so I would say for my 31 to 32 inch inseam, very good to go. So if you're a shorter rider, this thing will work for you. It's a beautiful looking motorcycle. I might have to grab one of these up. They're fairly inexpensive. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys, and yeah, we'll see you next week. Bye.